Hi kids! Halloween is coming, and one of my favorite things are Halloween pumpkins. They're so pretty with the light inside. Originally, pumpkin carving started in Ireland. People were making lanterns with scary faces out of vegetables to scare off Stingy Jack, a wandering soul he was. So the pumpkin actually protects us. Let's draw one. I start with the outside shape. It's curvy, like this. I made the top and the bottom symmetrical because I like the way it looks. I'm adding a couple of curved lines on the inside. This almost makes a circle. And at the top, I draw the stem. Kinda looks a little like a hat. On the reference drawing, the eyes are shaped like triangles. So I'm drawing a triangle on the left and another one on the right. We could draw different shapes if we wanted to. It would just change the pumpkin's face, but it would work. The nose is also a triangle, just a little smaller. Oh, and I just drew it with the angle up instead of down. That's okay, it still works. My drawing is just gonna be a little different than the reference. Okay, now the mouth. It's a little trickier. We need to outline the teeth to make it scary. I'm drawing the corners of the mouth up so it smiles. We can draw as many teeth as we want. I did 2 here, but you can draw 3 or 4 if you prefer. This makes your drawing unique. And now, it's time to color it in, with an orange crayon, of course. I leave out the eyes, nose, and mouth. Let's color these yellow to simulate light. And then, we'll make the stem brown. Here we go, a super fun Halloween pumpkin. Now that you know how to draw this, you can add pumpkins to any drawing and turn it into a Halloween one. I'm gonna do this on all my drawings this month. And to make it interesting, you can change the faces that you draw on them. So much fun! Happy Halloween!